shooting a short video today of what we found up above. So it turns out that instead of being plates, we have a 12 by 6 beam that probably runs the full width of the great room here, is what we know as the kitchen, right? But anyway, that's what we're looking at. It's frustrating for me is up here where they had just basically did the electrical. All they had to do in order to do this correctly was they could have used this auger, or an auger, right, which is more than big enough to basically go through this beam all the way up. Or even, barring that, there's this guy, right? Same kind of thing, just used with a drill, right? And again, let's see if I can get it right here. More than long enough. They could have easily, right, put their holes up through here rather than this abortion that they've done on the end, which just drives me a little bit crazy, but we're gonna get it all fixed. So anyway, that's where we're at. Right now, we're just taking a look at this beam and going, why cover it? We're going to clean it up. There's no there's no like preservatives or anything in it. It's just a raw wood beam. Probably looks like a fir, though that red tint makes me almost think it, well, mind you, I can't smell any cedar in it. So, but anyway, the other side, it's not quite as pretty. Obviously, it's a little more weathered, and there may be some gray stain on it. So it might have been exterior at one time. And what we're seeing up there, believe it or not, there's a roof up there that basically runs over the Carol's office area. There's Carol's offices over here. So, but anyway, the roof, it looks like those may be the trusses coming down and they just cut the ends off. Who knows? This whole thing might have been a porch at one time. Okay, later guys.